So this is a 2008 Yukon, guys. This is what it sounds like before. Go ahead. All right. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. 87.4 again. All right, guys, stay tuned. We're gonna put the Exhaust Addicts muffler on it. So 2009 Yukon, guys, 5.3 liter V8. So it's got an aftermarket cat on this side, factory cat on this side. And then, as you guys can see, they fixed the pipe here. And then it's got our first prototype of the Exhaust Addicts / discount muffler. We were bored, we're a little bit slow, so we built our own muffler. So we're gonna see how it sounds like. Are you guys ready to hear it? Let me know what you guys think of the tone, okay? First ever Exhaust Addicts muffler prototype, okay? Then the pipe continues and factory resonator. We're probably gonna cut this resonator off next, but I wanted to hear it with the resonator on first to get the full effect of just a muffler swap on this Yukon. And then we're gonna cut the resonator off and see what it sounds like with the prototype of the Exhaust Addicts muffler. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. Exhaust Addicts first prototype muffler. Let's see what it sounds like. Huh. Listen to that. Good. That sounds really nice.
Put the resonator off.
Yeah, the resonator's got to be taken off. Again?
7.3 decibels.
Again? 99.2. One more. So let's hear it without the resonator. Stay tuned. All right, guys, now it's round 2. We put a new tip on it, 5-inch. We took the muffler off and replaced it with the Exhaust Addicts prototype. And we took the resonator off this time. Okay, here we go. Go ahead. Wow, listen to this thing. Oh, wow.
Timmy, you gotta make some more mufflers, bud.
Bro, that sounds good.
104.
Here's the sound decibels.
Again?
101. Wow. What do you guys think of the sound? That's our prototype muffler. Again? That's not bad at all. Let you guys hear on the inside. That's a different tone to it, man.
Good, man. Seriously.